In this makeup tutorial, we're going to go and do a fake cut on our nose that is held together with some staples. This makeup is very similar to the other makeup that I did with using fake nails, and that is also posted on my profile. So let's get started. We're going to start with this makeup by going and putting some scar wax onto our nose. The scar wax should kind of look like a fat worm, so go and take this, put it onto your nose, spread it out on both of the ends, use petroleum jelly to go and smooth it out, and if you do have extra petroleum jelly that is on here, you probably want to wipe it off to make it less shiny. Now go into the center of it with a blunt sculpting tool, create a line down the middle. Definitely take your time because it is pretty sticky. I'm using Sin Wax. Sin Wax is a little bit different than regular scar wax. It's extra sticky in comparison, and you usually need petroleum jelly to move it around. Now take red cosmetic and go down the center. Make sure to really get a good amount of pigment in here. After you have that down, go and use your finger and spread it out. Take black cosmetic, put it down the center, and create a shadow. Now follow it up with some fake blood. After the fake blood is down, go and take the scar wax and push it in just a little bit. Now onto some staples. So I have a stapler in front of me. I took some staples out, I split them into little tiny pieces, and now I'm just taking them and I'm sticking them in probably the best area that I feel like these would look more realistic. After you are done, your makeup should look like this. I am doing 31 days of Halloween makeup, and I hope to see you at the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy spooky season, and have a great one.